In this video, you'll learn how to use links with pictures in Mailchimp. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to add hyperlinks to images in your email campaigns effectively. First, navigate to the Mailchimp homepage. You can do this by entering the Mailchimp URL into your web browser. Once the page loads, you may be prompted to sign in. If so, enter your credentials and click on the login button. After logging in, you will see the Mailchimp dashboard where various options are available. Next, locate the Create button, usually found on the top right of the dashboard. Click on this button to open a drop-down menu. From the options presented, select Email to start creating a new email campaign. The interface will then redirect you to the email creation screen, where you can choose your campaign type. After that, find and click on the Replicate option. This action allows you to create a copy of an existing campaign, making it easier to modify. Once you select this option, you will be taken to a screen that displays your previous campaigns, where you can choose the one you wish to replicate. Once you've selected the campaign to replicate, click on the Edit Design button. This will open the design editor where you can customize the content of your email. The design editor provides a visual interface, allowing you to see changes in real time as you edit your email layout. Now, click on the image you want to add a link to. This action will enable the image editing options. Ensure that the image is highlighted, indicating that it is ready for editing. After selecting the image, look for the Add Link option, which is typically represented by an icon resembling a chain link. Following this, click on the Link to drop-down menu to specify where the link should direct your audience. This menu will present various linking options, such as a web address, an email address, or a file. Choose the option that best suits your needs for this image link. Next, type in the URL you wish to link to in the designated field. After typing the URL, double-check its accuracy to ensure it directs to the correct destination. This step is crucial to maintain professionalism in your campaign. Finally, click on the Save button to store your changes. This action will confirm the link addition to your image. After saving, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your changes have been successfully saved. It is advisable to preview your email before sending it out to ensure that all links function correctly. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.